In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make $900 a day using the Legacy Builder program. Now, if you're someone that has not joined yet, this video is going to be perfect. But even if you're inside of the program, I'm going to share with you some powerful tips and strategies I've been using to generate $900 consistent commissions inside of the program. Now, you can see I'm actually inside of my Stripe account. You can see at the top right here, Garrett's digital sales. This is my Stripe account. And you can see, $900, and I can just scroll and scroll and scroll. And these commissions are coming in like clockwork. And I'm using a very specific strategy that is actually taught inside the program. But like I said, if you're already inside, I'm going to go even deeper. Now, before I continue, I want to share with you that if you are on the fence, you have not joined, you want to really consider joining through me. There's going to be a link directly below. When you go to my website and you actually get started at the $900 level for a very limited time, you're actually going to, as a bonus through joining me, you're going to get access to 5 nights free in a luxury hotel in Cancun, Mexico. Okay, now this is a $1,294 value. This voucher can be used and you can get 5 nights free. So I want to give that away to reward action takers. Now, what do you actually do inside the Legacy Builder program, right? I want to share with you the income producing actions, the only things you need to do in what we like to call our 2-hour workday, okay? Because 90% of this is going to actually be automated. The way I was able to generate those $900 commissions was just working about 1 or 2 hours a day from my laptop, sometimes my smartphone, following this 2-hour workday. So the very first thing we recommend you do is you're going to be posting free ads on high traffic websites. Okay, so if you know of Craigslist, okay, the website Craigslist, and if you've ever wanted to sell like your couch or a sofa, you go on that site, you post an advertisement, right, talking about the benefits. Hey, I have this new couch or this, maybe older couch, but it's comfortable, it's in good condition, right? You give the benefits inside of that advertisement, and then you always give something called a call to action. When you post on Craigslist or even like Facebook Marketplace, you give a call to action. You tell people, hey, if you want more information on this, be sure you message me, at this email, or be sure you reply to this post. You give them a call to action. You tell them what to do to get more information. That's exactly what we're doing when it comes to promoting the digital products inside of the Legacy Builder program. So 30 minutes a day, what you can do is post free advertisements. Okay, these are not paid advertisements. We teach you inside of the program how to post free ads on high traffic websites. These are websites with millions of people visiting them. And we actually give you a list of over 200 websites you can go for free in about 30 minutes a day posting ads. Now, we even give you some templates of advertisements. And inside of these ads right here, okay, what you want to do is you want to talk about the benefits of this program. So you can say, and I'm going to share with you an example in a second that I made on Facebook, okay, but you can give the benefits like, oh, do you want to discover how to work 2 hours a day from home and make up to $900 a day? If so, comment info, or if so, reply. And then what's going to happen is people will start to ask you for more information, which you can follow in the next step in the process, okay? Now, in the next part, and this is all I do, by the way, when I'm generating those $900 commissions, this is all I'm doing. I'm following this exact process. So in about 1 hour a day, what you want to do, okay, on top of the 30 minutes, and if you're working a job right now, or maybe you have a family, some kids, you can just do this whenever you want. I used to work a job many years ago when I first got started with marketing, and I would actually do my income producing activities on my lunch break. Okay, I was a waiter, or I'd come home at the end of the day and do it before I went to bed. So what you want to do is spend about an hour a day creating 1 to 3 pieces of content. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to pick a social media platform that you enjoy. Now, this could be Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. Like I said, I'm going to share with you some real examples in a second of me actually doing this. But you want to actually create 1 to 3 pieces of content. Now, depending on the platform, okay, so let's go to Facebook real quick. I want to share with you. So let's say you like Facebook. Let's say you have a Facebook friends list, okay, of some people, and even if you don't, okay, we actually teach you how to start attracting people to your profile very easily. But this is my Facebook profile. Now, depending on the platform, that's going to depend on what type of content. So if you want to start posting content on YouTube, that's basically videos. But Facebook, you could do photos, you could do text. Okay, so you can see right here that I just posted this, 45 minutes ago. Okay, and I'll zoom in here so you can see it. But I made a post. This is content. Okay, so this is basically a post of text. Okay, and I'm basically telling my story. So if you're actually inside of the Legacy Builder program, one tip I want to give you is facts tell, stories sell. So a lot of people that are wanting to make more sales, what they're doing wrong is they're just going out there and they're being very, pitchy. They're just selling, hey, do you want to work 2 hours a day, make $900 a day? Comment info, right? And they're not giving anyone a chance to get to know, like, and trust them. Okay, the whole point of this is we want to get people to know, like, and trust us because people buy from people they know, like, and trust. So you want to do that through storytelling. So you can see right here, I'm telling my story. Look, I was once the guy who tried to please everyone, right? Once I wasted energy on those who didn't dare to dream big, but those days are behind me. I listened to the voices that challenge and change me. I'm evolved. I've achieved as much as $4,000 in a single day. Okay, now I'm starting to talk about the benefits of this program. Now, if you don't have your own results, you can leverage results inside of our community. We have over 30,000 people, and you can talk about other people. Hey, we had a woman, walking her dog in the park who made, $900. We had a person quit their job. So you can leverage other people's results in your content. And then I just simply posted a photo of myself. Okay. Now, I also posted this. So you can do a faceless brand. I posted this right here. Look, here's some of the benefits. Break free from the 9 to 5 grind. Earn $900 a day effortlessly with a faceless done for you program. And then I give a call to action in my content, and that's what you want to do. Okay. Do you want to be next? Drop me for details. Okay. And I had 13 people like it. I had 28 people comment. Okay. Those are the people that commented. But if I go to the comments, me, okay, me for sure. So I'm getting people commenting, right? And that's what we want to do. Again, with our content, we want to be generating what's called a lead. We want to be generating people commenting. Again, that's the 1 hour a day here. We're creating and posting 1 to 3 pieces of content. Now, a piece of content could be a photo on a Facebook story, or it could be an Instagram photo or an Instagram reel. Okay, so there's lots of different types of content, and we teach you exactly how to do that inside of the program, which again, you can find out more at the link directly below. Now, another place is TikTok. This is my TikTok here. And by the way, guys, if you actually want to follow me, okay, I share constant results and tips and different strategies on these platforms. You can add me on Facebook or follow me on TikTok at the links below as well. If you're already inside the program, you can actually follow and model after what I'm doing because, you saw it worked in the beginning of the video. But here is my TikTok. So I have my link in my bio, okay? And I'll get into that in a second on how we actually start making sales automatically, even while we're sleeping. But I post very simple videos with certain hashtags, okay, like work from home, side hustles, hashtags that are going to attract people that want to make money, that want to work from home, things that this program teaches them inside of the Legacy Builder program. And then inside my video, I basically just tell my story, okay? And then at the end, I give a call to action. If you want to discover more, comment below. Or if you want to discover more, go to the link in my bio. So I'm constantly doing very simple videos. 1-minute videos, right? But I get people to go to my link in my bio. Now, when they go to your link, this is how we start to make money on autopilot, okay? Now, I want to cover this before I get into this last part. So 30 minutes a day in the 2-hour workday, we're going to be responding to CTA comments and emails. So as you post this content, as you post these free ads, people will start responding to those CTA posts with comments. So they'll ask you, how does this work? Or me, whatever your post says. So for example, here, you can see right here, I said comment me in the post and you can see me. So what you do in about 30 minutes a day, and depending on how many comments, if you don't have a lot of comments, it'll only take you about 5 or 10 minutes. We're going to open up this person's profile, message them, and say, hey, I saw your comment wanting more information. Here's the link. And all you do is send them the link to your automated system. that the program gives you, right? Now, I say here also, respond to emails. So sometimes as these autopilot emails start following up with your leads, okay, which will happen, people respond with questions. Hey, I see this, I'm interested, but can I do this in South Africa? Or, hey, can I do this if I only have, 2 hours a day or whatever. They'll ask you a question and then you just respond to their email. That is the 2-hour workday, right? Now, the last thing I want to share with you is that when you actually send people to the link, they'll get taken to a page that looks something like this. This is called a capture page. The program Legacy Builder will actually give you this done for you. Okay, this is very high converting, meaning a lot of people that go to this page will put their email in. When they put their email in, what happens is they get added to this follow-up campaign of automatic emails that are pre-written for you that start following up with your leads about one per day. Okay, and inside of these emails, they send people back to the page to decide to buy. And when they go to your website and they buy any one of the packages on your website, you get paid through whatever payment method you chose when you set up the simple system. So I hope that makes sense. That is exactly what I'm doing to make these sales over and over again. I'm just posting simple content, sending people to my link, and letting the system do all the selling for me. If, again, you have not joined, be sure you go down to the link below, get started, Success Loves Speed. And again, if you get started at the $900 level, within a very short time, you'll be able to get 5 nights free at a luxury hotel in Cancun, Mexico. Like I said, I want to reward action takers. And last but not least, be sure you subscribe, like the video, and then comment if you have any more questions, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.